In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you apps that pay you to shop online. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and me to where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Besties, have you heard of Merrifield? Guys, Merrifield is an app. It's a loyalty rewards program that rewards users for buying better for you brands. Now, this app actually aims to promote products without artificial colors, without preservatives and other things like that. And they give 5% cash back on eligible brands. And they also have a few offers, special offers where you can get even more points. They have very low minimum payout, so make sure that you take advantage of this app opportunity. Guys, the next app on my list here is called Amazon Shopper Panel. Guys, Amazon Shopper Panel is probably the best paying app that takes any receipts. Every month that you scan 10 receipts, you will get $10 straight to your Amazon balance. They also have surveys, yes, and you can get it like every now and then. This app has a waiting list too, so make sure that you quickly apply to get in as quickly as possible. Every month, your rewards are sent to your Amazon balance or to your selected charitable organization. If you want to donate whatever you do to any charity organization, they will definitely help you send it to them. Make sure that you upload all of your receipts every month. Yes, and rewards are sent at the start of the following month, and it can take a couple of days. Receipts that are within 30 days are eligible. So if you can save up, the previous month's receipts. Yes, if you shop a lot, consider saving a month's worth of receipts and uploading them at the start of the next month. The next app on my radar is called Google Opinion Rewards. Guys, Google Opinion Rewards is well known for their surveys, but they also frequently offer cashback for scanning your receipts. Yes, YMMV. Yes. Guys, I almost always get asked for a receipt when I visit big stores like Walmart, like CVS. You will need to have your phone on and use it while you're in the store, and you may also need to have location services enabled to be able to connect to Wi-Fi or data. Even if you don't purchase anything or you don't have a receipt, you will get money for just telling them that. I'm telling you, guys, the sweet part, it has zero minimum cash out. Yes, any amount you pay, you earn will be sent to your bank account. The next app on my list here, guys, is called Care Club. Care Club rewards users for purchasing products from participating brands like Neutrogena, Band-Aid, Motrin, Neurosporin, Lactaid, etc. You can earn 150 points each time you purchase an eligible product with a maximum of 1,500 points per month. Yes, and what you can do is once you get those points, they can be converted into money. Yes, and you're also upgraded to a VIP status that gives you exclusive discounted rewards. And available rewards are actually limited, but I have never had any trouble redeeming my rewards for something that I would want. There are also additional rewards or additional offers where you get a certain amount back when you buy a certain box. Guys, it's something that you don't want to miss. I mean, we're in a world where everything actually counts. You make every month. We spend more than we earn. So if this money can be coming in nickels and trickles, it makes a lot of difference. Like I say, tiny drops of water makes a mighty ocean. The minimum cash out, payout is $1, yes, which means you can get paid immediately. Now, guys, the next app on my list here is called Buddies by Blue Buffalo. Now, Buddies by Blue Buffalo is an app that aims to help you be the best pet parent if you have pets. The program gives you points for doing all sorts of things related to your pet, and they can give you up to 250 points each time you scan the rewards code found in select Blue products. Yes, and they give you cash out, and then you can use it for treats, dog foods and other types of physical products like mats, water bottles, and what have you. Guys, as always, please check out all of these websites, check out these apps. You can start to make money. I'm telling you, if we make as much as we spend, then we will be very, very financially stable to a very large extent. So these are ways to just keep allowing that rain of blessings, rain of finance, the rain of money to keep raining into your bank account every single day. Yes, so yes, in case you have not introduced yourselves, I'm waiting for you. Go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and massive support to your girl on this channel. Yeah, like I said, I really want to know you and I want to meet you. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Where in the world are you tuning in from? And in case you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I'm going to introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. Here, it's all about helping you to make money and become the best version of yourself. It's about helping you to give you valuable resources on this channel that will help you move from this point to that point, guys. You don't want to miss this for anything. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and I drop 3 videos every week on this channel. So please make it a date right here on this channel with me, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, because you cannot know this channel as broke. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And if you have not checked out my previous videos, please do well to do that right now. Yes, so that you don't get to miss out on all these juicy details that I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. Yes, so and if you're a returning subscriber, I see you. I thank you guys from the depth of my heart. God bless you for all that you do. And yes, to all of my Patreon members, you guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. If you'd like to join my Patreon membership, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon membership is you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, business, money, and everything in between. Guys, here is the juicy part. I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know if I remember to mention it in the beginning of today's video. So yes, here is how to enter for my giveaway. We have finally launched our Telegram channel. So all you need to do is this: add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community. Come back to today's video and let me know how many people you were successfully able to add into the Telegram community. And once you're able to do that and I verify, you can be selected. Like I said, it's closing soon. So go ahead, make sure you start adding people to my Telegram community now, today. I'm going to select randomly and I will ask for your details. I'm going to email you and ask for your ID, a form of identification, your ID card, and that way I'm going to send you the money. I'm going to send you $100 cash. Yes, it is coming from me to you, and I'm going to send it to you from anywhere in the world, whether you're in Africa or North America or you're in Asia. I will send you $100. Yes, that's a token of my appreciation to you for adding your friends and families to my Patreon, to my Telegram community. And just so you know, in case you're wondering, where will I find 50 people who attend a church or a mosque or something, you have a gathering or you're a student, go ahead and share my link with them, but put a caption, tell them, hey, this is the Telegram community and we're going to be sharing lots of great resources as to how to make money online. So please join this community. It's hosted by Miriam Adepoju, and that way, once you put a brief overview of what the link is about, people will not be afraid to click on your link. So go ahead and start sharing the link in your Facebook groups, in your WhatsApp groups, with your church members, your mosque members, your village members, your parapol members, your enemies, and your besties. Yes, if you're a pastor or a minister in your church, send it to all your cell meetings, your cell groups. Go ahead and share on Facebook, share everywhere. To do that, you're on your way to getting my $100. Yes, don't even sleep. Mason. And that is it, guys, for today. In case no one has told you, today I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and of course I will see you in my next video. Okay, guys, and bye for now.